The procedure for replacing the filter element on the LA blowers, specifically the LA60 and 80 for this example. Be sure to unplug the power from the electricity supply before starting the cleaning and replacement work. Undo the fixing screws and remove the filter cover. Take care not to lose the plastic airtight washers. Remove the filter elements. Wipe off any dust that is collected around the air pathways, around the centre of the black side gaskets on the underside of the filter cover, and the 4 holes entering down into the pump chamber on the top of the main pump housing. It's recommended that the filter elements cleaned or preferably replaced with new ones once a year, or as often as the local environmental condition requires it. If only cleaning the filter elements, take care to clean well enough. If the filter look aged, please replace. Insert the cleaned or the new filter element. Ensure the black side gaskets on the underside of the filter cover are securely positioned. Replace the filter cover and then retighten the central fixing screw, taking care to position the airtight washers correctly. Procedure for replacing the piston set assemblies for the LA blowers. Loosen and remove all the screws holding down the upper case with a special screwdriver. Please contact your supplier for further details of the screwdriver. Using a socket rather than a Phillips screwdriver, loosen and remove the hex bolts on the end plate, the end cover, and remove it. It may be necessary to insert a flathead screwdriver into the slot on the end of the head cover to gently lever it open. Pull away the head cover. Take out the piston set assemblies, cleaning any dust. There is a slot on each Teflon seal of the piston. The slot shows the degree of wear. If one or both slots have gone, it is time to replace the piston set assembly. Replace the piston set assemblies. Be sure to replace all piston set assemblies at the same time. Check that the pistons are running smoothly. And replace the gasket A located on the head cover. Secondly, replace gasket B, which is on the housing. Refit the head cover with the hex bolts. Tighten the hex bolts evenly and alternately, then gradually fully tighten. Check the inlet ports on the head cover. In case they're dusty or dirty, remove the dust using wire-like tools. Note, on the LA28 and LA45, the inlet ports are at the bottom of the pump. Remove the dust using a small brush. Check the nozzle seals are installed onto the air tank properly and press the pump body down to allow the outlet port of the head cover to catch the nozzle seals correctly. Note that on the more recent LA60B and LA80B, there's an aluminium receiver tank, and this doesn't need to be done. Plug in the power and start the test run. Check to see if there's any air leakage along the head cover by briefly blocking the main air outlet. Unplug the power again after this test run. Confirm the main gasket, gasket C, on the bottom case is located correctly. Finally, put the upper case back onto the bottom case and then fasten the screws evenly and alternately. And this is the procedure for replacing the piston set assemblies on the LA blowers, specifically the 60 and the 80 in this case.